Okay, now I want you to look at here and tell me what sound is it? Yes, and the action of this sound is yes. What sound is it? Very good. Okay. Left leg B. What sound here is? Second sound here is? Very good. Okay, now. Very good. Very good. And the last one here. Very good. Okay, now we will move to part 2. Listen and this. In A, listen and choose pictures. Okay, in your finger. Okay. For example, in number 1, I will say sword. So you will choose. In number 1 here. Sword. Yes. Okay, now number 2. Talk. Talk. Number 2, talk. Number 3, sit. Sit. Okay. Number 4, lift. Number 5, airport. Now, it B, listen and choose words in number 1. Beef. Which one is beef? Yes. Number 2. Stock. Number 2, stock. Number 3. Street. And good. Number 4. Home. Home. Yes. Number 5. Beef. Okay. Now in part 3 about the police, you will find the missing sound. In number 1, let's tell me what is it? Number 1. Yes, E. So exactly. No, exactly fork. Number 2. So the missing sound here is no. The missing sound here is E, heel, and R, fork. Okay. Part 4, race. Let's read number 1. Look. 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 And the B. The top. Look. Look. The stock. The
The top in the